So the other day I got myself some touring seats from a Royal Enfield Classic 350. They look way cooler than the original seats. Pretty easy to get on. First you undo the bolt on either side of the seat. They come out pretty easy. Next, you just unclip the seat and clip the new one on. Little plastic clip at the front. Super easy. Put the bolts back in. There's one side going in. There's the other side going in. And you're done. Front seat on. Looks great. Back seat, different story. Absolute bastard to get undone. Someone had used Loctite or something. Nothing a good old hammer couldn't sort out. Gave these guys a bit of a bash. Got them out. Ran the other side. Accidentally tried to do it up. Realised going the wrong way. Got them out. Next, once you've got those bolts out, you just remove the grab rail and unclip the seat. Now what you see me doing there is these little nodule things that go through the holes in the seat where the bolts go. You take them out of the old seat, put them in the new seat. Then you clip the seat back in, put the grab rail back on, do up the bolts, and hey presto, seat's on. Oh, looks good. Can't wait to take it for a ride.